Hello, and welcome to Theatre Bites, essential theatre knowledge in minutes. Today we're entering the world of immersive theatre, where you don't just watch the play, you're inside it. Immersive theatre blurs the line between audience and actor. You don't sit in rows and clap at the end. You walk, explore, and even interact. There's no stage. The performance space is the world, and the story unfolds around you, with you, and sometimes because of you. Immersive theatre shows can happen anywhere. In abandoned buildings, forests, nightclubs. They might even use headphones or VR or live interaction. You might follow a character or solve a mystery or wander freely. The audience might wear masks, like in Sleep No More by Punchdrunk, or be assigned roles or missions. Every person's experience can be totally different. Immersive theatre makes you feel like you matter, because you do. You're not just watching a story, you're living inside it, making decisions, and sometimes even changing what happens. It's engaging, emotional, and unforgettable, because the audience is part of the cast. Some of the most exciting immersive companies include Punchdrunk, productions like Sleep No More and The Drowned Man. Yumi Bum Bum Train, where each audience member has a solo journey. And Shunt, Dreamthink Speak and Third Rail projects, where they create layered cinematic experiences where you choose the path. In immersive theatre, the curtain never rises because there is no curtain. Thanks for watching Theatre Bites, your shortcut to essential theatre knowledge. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support the channel. And if there's a topic you'd like me to cover, then leave a comment or suggestion below. I'd love to hear what you would like next. Until then, see you in the next bite.